You are probably making these mistakes when trying to be productive, and they are stopping your progress. Today, I want to share 5 mistakes that I made for many years. Maybe you make them too. These mistakes hold us back. They take our motivation away. They make us start all over again, and again. If you're tired of feeling stuck, stay with me. I will help you fix it. So let's get started. The first mistake is waiting for a perfect moment. We all think that one day everything will be perfect and then we will start. But let me tell you what. That perfect moment almost never comes. It's an illusion, it keeps us stuck. I know this from my own experience. When I was a teenager, I wanted to have an English-speaking blog. I wanted to share my thoughts and inspire people around the world, but I kept waiting, year after year. You know what? I was scared that my English wasn't good enough, that I wasn't ready. But one day I realized if I keep waiting, it will always be my dream. So I started small. I started with a blog in my native language. You know what? To be honest, it was not perfect, but it was a start. It was my start and it changed everything. Every time I pressed record, I was scared. But I learned this. Progress comes from action, not waiting. This is my advice. Start small. There is a 5 minutes rule that can change your life. Just spend 5 minutes recording your first video. Spend 5 minutes writing the first script for your video. Take a small step forward. Often, 5 minutes will turn into more. The important thing is to start, just to start. Right now, after this video, take one small step. A small step can start a big change in your life. Believe me, just believe me. The second mistake is relying too much on motivation. Motivation is a good start, but it's not reliable for long-term goals. At the beginning of my journey, I thought motivation would always be there. I watch motivational videos and read books, but motivation is just a feeling, and feelings come and go, especially when things are hard. I learned that the real power is in discipline. Discipline helps me get up at 4:50 in the morning, even when I don't want to. It is not about how I feel, it's about what is important. Discipline makes you take small steps every day, even when you don't feel motivated. My advice: never skip your habit 2 times. 1 missed day is okay. 2 missed days can become a bad habit. The third mistake is trying to do everything at once. Multitasking seems like a good idea, but it doesn't work. I used to think I could do many things at the same time. Reply to messages, work, listen to music, and talk. But I was just tired and nothing was done well. Switching between tasks takes away your energy and focus. Just believe me, our brains do not work well when we switch tasks too much. My advice: do one thing at a time. Set a timer for 25 or 30 minutes, focus on one task and turn off notifications. This is called the Pomodoro technique and it really works. The fourth mistake is comparing yourself to others. We look at others on social media and think, why am I not as good as them? But social media only shows the good parts. We do not see their struggles. We do not see their bad times. I used to do this too. I saw other bloggers and felt I was not good enough. But comparing yourself to others will not help you grow. It's just like comparing the beginning of your journey to someone else's success. It's not true. You don't need to do it. Compare yourself only to who you were yesterday. Focus on your own progress. Moving forward even slowly, it is still success. The fifth mistake is my favorite. The fifth mistake is ignoring rest. We live in a world that says we should always be productive. But rest is not a waste of time. Rest is important. It is an important part of our life. I have burned out many times. I thought if I work more, I would reach my goals faster. But it's not true. I ended up tired and unmotivated. Resting gives us energy to keep going. It helps us come back stronger and with new ideas. My advice? Plan your rest, just like you plan your work. I am not joking. Just try. Take short breaks, enjoy your evenings, take time to recharge. Even a simple walk can help you feel better and more productive. Being productive is not about working all the time. It is about working in a smart way, avoiding these mistakes, and making small progress every day. Take one small step, just try now.